what exactly is an AI agent? If you've ever used ChatGPT, you already know AI can answer questions. But that's not what makes it powerful. The real leap comes when AI starts taking action without waiting for you to ask. So let's start with what an AI agent isn't. A lot of people confuse AI agents with things like chatbots, prompt chains, or simple automations. Let's clear that up. A chatbot answers your questions. A workflow runs a fixed checklist, but an AI agent, it makes decisions. Think of it like this. A workflow is a precise recipe. Every step is pre-written. An agent, on the other hand, is like a smart intern. You give it just a goal, it looks at the tools it has available to it, and it figures out how to get there, even if the path changes. So again, what is an AI agent? It's a system that can sense, think, and act all on its own. It reacts to real-world input, makes decisions using logic or language models, and takes actions through tools or APIs. Picture it like a digital employee who can do a job all without being told every step, just the desired goal. But what are AI agents actually made of? Let's start with the brain. The brain, also called a reasoning engine, is the LLM or logic system, like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. It's incredibly smart, but on its own, it's like a genius trapped in an empty white room. It can think, but it can't see, hear, or interact with anything. Ugh, sounds horrible. So let's give it some senses. Sensors are the agent's eyes and ears. They let it take in the world, whether that's reading an email, checking a calendar, or receiving your instructions. Now it can perceive, but it's got one big problem: memory loss. As soon as it sees something, it forgets it. Poof, gone. So let's add memory. Memory is the agent's notebook. It tracks what happened so far so the agent can build on what it's already seen or done. Give it a good memory, and it can even look back over time and spot patterns. Now it can think, see, and remember, but we still need one last piece. Tools, also called actuators. These are the agent's hands. They let it take action, like sending messages, browsing the web, writing updates to a database, or calling an API. Tools are how it actually gets stuff done. So when you put it all together, brain, senses, memory, and tools, you get more than just a chatbot. You get an autonomous system that can sense, decide, and act in the real world. Now, here's why agents are different from traditional automations. Automations break when something unexpected happens. Agents, on the other hand, adapt. They don't just follow instructions, they evaluate, reroute, and try again. There are technical frameworks behind this, like RAG, where they pull in relevant knowledge before acting. React, where they reason and react in a loop. And MAS, multi-agent systems where agents coordinate together. But at the core, it's still the same loop. Sense, think, act, repeat. So now you know what an agent is, how it senses, thinks, remembers, and acts. Let's see what it can actually do in the real world.